Chat GPT is a large language model chatbot that can understand natural human language, and it has a large database of information to respond to tasks and directives. So let's look at a few examples. Let's start with basic fact retrieval. So I type my directive in this box at the bottom of the screen. Name the tallest mountain in the world. Press enter. And Chat GPT tells me the tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, which is part of the Himalayan range and located on the border between Nepal and China. Now let's expand on that directive a little bit. List the 10 tallest mountains in the world and include their height in meters and feet. Press enter. And now I've got a list of the 10 highest mountains in the world. And now I could say, regenerate the list to include countries where the mountains are located. Press enter. And now the list is expanded to include the locations or the countries where the mountains are located. Let's do a translation. Translate into Spanish and provide a pronunciation guide for this text. And I copied and pasted some text from a newspaper article. So here's the translation. And I wanted it to translate or to provide a pronunciation guide for the text, but it just gave a pronunciation guide for certain words in the text. So I'll have to work on that in the future. How about a summary? Summarize Chapter 3 of To Kill a Mockingbird. And I get the summary of Chapter 3 of To Kill a Mockingbird. How about an outline? So I've got a very detailed outline of the novel To Kill a Mockingbird. Let's try a timeline. Write a timeline of the Civil War. And it generates a timeline from the beginning until the end of the Civil War. So that's just a brief glimpse of what Chat GPT can do.